How to fix Instagram story video quality problem. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram application on your device. Once you are here, you'll be able to see your home page of Instagram. So if you have got multiple Instagram accounts, then make sure to switch to the account in which you want to make the change. So in order to fix the low quality story of Instagram, you need to first tap on your profile option in the right bottom corner, and from over here you will be able to see your Instagram profile. You need to tap on the 3-bar horizontal line of the right upper corner, and you have to go for settings and privacy option. Under settings and privacy, you need to scroll down a little bit until you see data usage and media quality under your app and media. And here you can see there's the media upload quality where you have to turn on upload at highest quality option, and by doing that all of your videos of the story or the post will be uploaded at a higher quality, and by doing that your problem will be solved. So this is how you fix Instagram story video quality problem. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.